Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, well actually let me show you. Yes, I'm wearing the same thing. Yesterday we did go to Target. I'm gonna go ahead and insert what we purchased here. All right, so we ended up going to Target and we did go to Rossway and get anything there, and we went to Kohl's to return some stuff. But other than that, we just went to a quick trip to Target. So let me go ahead and show you what we picked up. So if you hear a couple videos ago, we had an appointment early in the morning and we had to head out the door, and these were a lifesavers. Honestly, we don't go through them a lot because I normally make breakfast from scratch, but it's good to have, and my daughter actually really did like them, so I thought I'll pick up some more just in case. If you get the other videos, I did make some muffins. I really wanted some mini chocolate chips, so I picked up some mini chocolate chips. I got some more biscuits. You guys know I love these. I got some traditional pizza sauce to make pizza. My daughter has been loving Cheerios, so I had to pick up another box of Cheerios, our milk, and I have been making a lot of bread, so I got some more flour bread. I got some hand lotion. Been watching my videos. These hands are super dry right now, so I got some hand lotion. I got some pizza crust. This is actually really good pizza crust. It tastes amazing. And then we got this guy. This was $1, and it basically you could put either sands or you could put water in it. My sister-in-law did get my daughter this for Easter, so I thought this would be just a cute little add-on. You can put sand or water in it to play with. So we got this. So my husband to put it back, but I guess he thought maybe we do need it. It was $1. He's like, I really don't trust this, but I think like if we go on a ride and it's like water or anything like that, or if we're out and it's raining, I thought it would be really good to have. I might even be able to throw my wallet in here. So got this guy, and then I picked up 2 of these popsicle molds. I do have like the bolis ones, like the long ones, but I thought these were so cute, and they were $3 each. So this one's strawberry and this one's watermelon. Got those. The other thing I did pick up, so we bought 3 things for my toddler, so funny. Which we're not giving it to her now because she just had a tantrum for no reason. So we'll get this to her like another day, or for like a special occasion, but we picked it up because we thought they were really cute and they're definitely up her alley. So she already has a doll stroller. So we saw these. She loves when she has like double of toys. She says twins. So we got her this one. This one does come with a boy and a girl, which is why I actually wanted this one, and it comes with the pacifier, right? Yeah, comes with the pacifier, the little pacifier clip, which is so cute, and also the little bottles. So we got her that. Face it the opposite direction in case she comes over here. And then I also got this guy, which is like the little foldable crib. Honestly, I feel like we should have got this a long time ago because she puts them on the sofa all the time and says that they're going mimi. So we got that. Then the last thing was just like a mommy diaper bag. I'm 100% sure she's still going to use one of my little petunia mini bags, or like one of the other petunia smaller bags that I have that she uses all the time. But it basically comes with a diaper set, and it also comes with like the little wipey container. It comes with like the fake lotion, crackers, stuff like that. So I thought this was really cute. They do have this set though that has like a diaper, like a potty seat, and the doll. I kind of want to pick that up also, since hopefully after this whole little stuff that she's going through right now passes, it will be full-blown potty training, because I need that little girl out the diapers. But yeah. All right, so today I actually want to kind of clean the kitchen, and I also want to clean the bathroom. I don't know which one first. Probably the bathroom because I haven't done it in a while. But yeah, let's go ahead and just do a little bit of reset cleaning again for you guys. If you haven't already, please don't forget to thumbs up, comment down below. There's gonna be And yeah, comment, rate, and subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate every like, every comment, and every single subscriber. Let's get into today's video. All right, so here I am. I'm gonna go ahead and do the windows first. I don't even call them windows. My shower doors. I'm giving them a nice clean. I feel like, I mean, I personally love windows. I hate curtains. They totally freak me out. But my husband says that we should have just got curtains. I don't know. Anybody else kind of get creeped out by curtains? I just prefer to see what's on the other side while I'm taking a shower. Anyways, yeah, so I am cleaning both sides, and then I go ahead and put some tub cleaning supplies, spray. I have no idea how to word that right now. Inside the shower, so I could go ahead and give it a little nice scrub as well. Funny, I usually use my wet Swiffer, but I could not find the stick. And then my husband's like, babe, it's behind your beauty room door. Yeah, that's like the only place I didn't check. No lie. Like I checked every closet except that one. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy these kind of videos, little motivation. I don't clean my bathroom every single day or every week. I honestly clean it every like 2 to 3 weeks. Like everything. I always wipe down my sink. I feel like everybody kind of does that, but it just kind of gets forgotten. But this is definitely the bathroom that we use the most. My downstairs bathroom and my upstairs bathroom. Honestly, I clean my upstairs ones like every 2 weeks. 2 weeks, every 2 months ish, because we don't use it as often. Um, but yeah, and then funny story. I never opened the bathroom window, and my daughter freaked. So that was fun. So after this, I had to close it because she was freaking out. Um, but yeah. I really hope you guys are enjoying this video. Like I said, if you haven't already, please don't forget to comment down below. Like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, turn on that bell notification so you can get notified every time I upload a video. I am very, very grateful. I appreciate every like, every comment, and every single subscriber. I truly do mean that every time I say that. All right, so now I moved on to the kitchen. It really needed to get fixed up. I feel like the kitchen just gets dirty all day, every day, all the time. So here I am just kind of organizing everything before I do a nice deeper clean. I'm not doing a complete deep clean. I'm just kind of resetting for the week. It wasn't too bad since I do constantly clean my kitchen. But my mom did buy some creamer and some milk, so I was putting that away. And my husband bought champurrado, and he never finishes it. So that's me taking it out and kind of being annoyed. Refilling my daughter's Cheerios. She loves Cheerios, so that is like her go-to breakfast item. She loves it. If I give her an option, that's always, always what she says. What is your kid's go-to breakfast item? I'm hoping within the next couple of weeks, Dollar Tree comes out with some really, really cute, like napkins to put on the stove and on the fridge. This year they weren't that cute. I just found one that says, if I haven't had my coffee, don't bother me, or something like that. They are cute. I just really wanted something, like with sunflowers and like colorful, something more spring summer-y, to bring a little bit more color into the kitchen. But yeah, I did not find one of those. Hopefully they come out soon. Because I don't want to spend an arm and a leg on that. I did go ahead and kind of deep clean my sink though, and replace those mats that I have there. Funny story, I ended up washing dishes again later and dirtying it all over again. But again, reality of cleaning the kitchen. We clean the kitchen all day, all day, all day. It's the one room that has to constantly be cleaned. Also, I am using a different editing app to edit this video and a voiceover. So please let me know how you guys feel about it. Do you like it better than my original one, or does this one look better, or honestly they're both exactly the same? I just wanted to try something out and see how I felt about it, since my other app has been, you can literally only edit 2 videos at a time, and then now they ask to pay for like everything, and I don't want to do that. So I decided to try a different app just to see how I like it and see how it looks. I can still use the other one. It's just sometimes I have a lot more than just 1 or 2 videos that I'm editing. and I wanted to get more options. And my mom made flautas, and we had leftover spaghetti for dinner. One of the good things about my mom cooking is that I know I'm not gonna have a hot mess in my kitchen because she cleans before she leaves. But I have to wash dishes, so let's go wash some dishes. Dinner was delicious, by the way. I told you guys I was gonna have to wash dishes again. I was kind of annoyed because I was like, dang it, it's spaghetti. It's not something that's like not, messy, but it's okay. I went ahead and cleaned, washed them dishes, continue to watch. What do you think I'm watching? Leave it down below if you already know. Did I mention it already? I don't think I did, but yeah, I was watching what I always watch. Also, let me know if you prefer a voiceover or just music playing. I personally prefer voiceovers. The music sometimes tends to bore me and I stop being interested in the video. So just let me know down below if you prefer a voiceover or do you actually prefer music, because I will do music if you guys prefer it. And that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for spending the day with me and cleaning. Hopefully I motivate you guys to, I don't know, clean something. And please don't forget to leave this emoji down below if you are still here. Thank you guys again. I appreciate every like, every comment, and every single subscriber. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.